Good morning, Achievers. Welcome to Morning Assembly. It's Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Hey, I'm a few minutes late getting on here today, but I think it goes with our virtue of flexibility. I was ready to read some of our flexibility shout outs off my computer this morning and some of them off my phone, and then right before I started Morning Assembly, I realized I can't read off my phone when I'm using my phone to film Morning Assembly. So I'm a few minutes late, but I'm here. Good morning, Teeters. Good morning, Sharps. Hi, Kellers. Hi, Ivy. Hi, Brooks family. Hi, Maddie. Hi, Delilah. Good morning, Mrs. Kurtz. Hi, Paloma. Hi, Valerie and Adriana and Christian. Good morning, Mrs. Taylor. Hi, Mrs. Freitas. Well, good morning, everybody. It's Friday, and we've got some flexibility shout-outs this week. I saw some great ones coming in, and I know everyone has shown a tremendous amount of flexibility this week. Let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Well, like I said, we're going to talk about some people this week who've been showing a lot of flexibility, but first, we have some birthdays. Today, it is Allie A's birthday in first grade. Happy birthday, Allie. It's also Austin Lico's birthday today. Happy birthday, Austin. We have a few birthdays coming up over spring break also. Raylan's got a birthday tomorrow, and then Anya on Sunday. And then Aubriella has a birthday on the 11th, and Logan B has a birthday on the 13th. So happy birthday to all of you April birthdays. I hope you have a great birthday. In fact, one of our shout outs today includes some birthday information. I got to give a special shout out before we start to all of the parents. I think you guys have all mastered this flexibility right now this last few weeks. I know it's hard for everybody. There's kids that have to show flexibility. Parents, sometimes it's a lot harder for us. We have our routines, we have a lot of responsibilities, and you all have done an amazing job showing flexibility. Speaking of that, let me start with some flexibility virtue shout outs that people have written in. So I'm going to start with, I actually got one message from one of the teeters on yesterday's morning assembly saying that she wanted to give a shout out to her parents. So let me go back to that one in just a minute. But first, let's start with some other ones. Lori Smith says she wants to give a shout out to both Alyssa and Sophie for showing flexibility by working hard through all of the changes. Christina Husa, she said that Hudson had a few rough days just wanting to be back at school with all of you and his friends. We talked over and over about flexibility, and she said she honestly thought it was going to be just a really hard week. But yesterday, he was the best student. We talked about flexibility and how well he was doing. He even had to explain flexibility to his 3-year-old brother. Nice job, Hudson, who wasn't being so flexible. And his mom says they're so proud of his flexibility today. Nice job, Hudson. That's a lot. That's hard when you have to overcome something that's hard and then keep pushing on. Mrs. Laufer wants to give a shout out to Lexi for taking piano through Skype. So it's certainly not the same as having your piano teacher right there with you. There's a lot of challenges with that. You have to be flexible and patient and give each other room to talk. Nice job, Lexi. And Maddie for doing Barton and speech, even though she thought she wouldn't have to. Yeah, I know. There's some things we thought we wouldn't have to do because we're at home and not at school, but it turns out we have to do a lot of those anyways. Nice job, Maddie. Amy Allright says, Mila and Lorelai have been doing a great job being flexible and working with their mom to figure out new routines with schooling at home. Nice job, girls. I'm going to click back to my other page here where I have a few more shout outs. Oh, here's a great one. This one is from Mrs. Etchison to Mrs. Tickle and Mrs. Strelecki, who take care of many of our special ed needs at school and just making arrangements for students who need some extra help. Mrs. Etchison says that Mrs. Strelecki and Mrs. Tickle had to be flexible in what services looked like for all of our students and how to get those services to students. They also had to quickly learn new expectations and new requirements and run meetings in a completely new way. And they've done all of this without complaining, even though she knows that change can be overwhelming. She says they've worked hard the last 3 weeks, an amazing job, and our families and students feel supported and at ease after talking to Mrs. Tickle and Mrs. Strelecki. Well done. What a nice compliment. I mean, if you've ever had a chance to talk to Mrs. Tickle or Mrs. Strelecki, you definitely feel more at ease after that conversation. You know you're being taken care of. Nice job. From Mrs. Keller, this one says, it goes out to Ivy. She says she thought Ivy was going to have a tough one this week because she couldn't have her birthday party with all of her friends. But instead, she showed a ton of flexibility and ingenuity by creating her own nature birthday party. She invited her mom, dad, and her brother. She made up games. They had outdoor time, and she even helped decorate her own cake. I'm so proud of her. Nice job, Ivy. Ivy, way to be super flexible. Going out to Liam and Tyler for showing flexibility this week. Says they were both flexible in their learning times so their parents could figure out times to work from home. Yeah, that's a huge one right now, right? Everybody has a lot of work to do from home. Also, it says they showed flexibility in the order they accomplished their studies, which was really cool to see. And they adapted to learning concepts outside instead of just at the table. Ooh, I like that. So they actually did some learning outside this week. Nice work. It's going to be some great weather in the future. Hopefully we can do even more outside work. Nicely done. I'm having a hard time putting my finger on that one from yesterday, but it looks like it was from Ray, and she wanted to give a shout out specifically to her parents for all of the flexibility that they have shown in helping her and her sister out. So that's a really nice shout out. You guys are amazing. I know you've shown a lot of flexibility. It's Friday. I think everyone has a well-deserved break coming up. I want to encourage you families to do something that makes today kind of feel like Friday and go into the weekend. Stay up late or watch a movie or get some ice cream or something. But it feels very strange when we're in this mode, when we're all at home all the time and you fall out of some of your regular routines. But you need to do something to celebrate all of the hard work you've put in, and then do something to make sure that over the next couple days you can take a little break. Next week's spring break, so students, I won't be on here every day. I might pop on a couple times just to give you a little message, but we'll resume school and morning assembly on April 14th. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye.